Look, I'm about to get it jumping now. Overcoming all my motherfucking obstacles. Yeah, I laugh in the face of adversity. Look, I do it real big, y'all ain't stopping me. Overcoming all odds, y'all ain't topping me. I'm the best up on the block, what you thinking, please? If you think that you gonna stop me, man, you in a dream. Let me tell you something, dawg, I'm a fucking king. Overcame so many things in my fucking life. Look, I've been through this war, man, so many times. And I'm not gonna give up now, cause I'm fighting mine. Never give up attitude, that's what I'ma ride. Look, you know what you know what you can handle and what you can't. Cause I'm the man, and I'ma run it, dang. Look, life is so much sweeter when you know what you can handle and what you can't, nigga. Look, I'm the king around this fucking shit. I'ma do this thing until the day I'm through, nigga. Look, I'm bout it. You know that I be bout it, cause I've been through so much struggle, man. I ain't even stopping. I keep it moving every single day, and I don't give a damn. Put an obstacle up in my way, ha. I laugh in the face of adversity. All these motherfuckers mad cause they ain't topping me. Look, I'm about to get it jumping, what you tryna be? I'm the king around the game, y'all ain't stopping me. Overcoming all odds. I'm laughing at adversity right now. And these niggas ain't shit on the struggle, dawg. I'ma keep it real, dawg. I be moving on. Y'all ain't even ready for this fucking flow. I'm about to do it real big. This the Richter Show. Yeah. And they don't even want it though. I'm the king, so here I go.